If you've forgotten your SoundCloud password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the SoundCloud login page. Go to the SoundCloud website and click on the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, you will see a link that says Forgot Password. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your SoundCloud account. Make sure to input the correct email and then click on the Send Reset Link button. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from SoundCloud with the subject line related to password reset. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. This will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it, and then save the changes. Now you can log into your SoundCloud account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SoundCloud support for further assistance.